Hefo un o'r tywysogesau. The Malice. She was Flower Girl after their worries.
Doesn't make much sense. There ought to be law again. Anyone who takes offense at a day in your celebration, 'cause we all know in our minds that there ought to be a time that we can set aside to show just how much we love you, and I'm sure you would agree. What could fit more perfectly than to have a world party on the day you came to be? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I just never understood how a man who died for good could not have a David Wood. Aside from
Happy city, Edward Happy city, Edward Happy city, Margaret, Edward Happy city. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
And with happy city, and with happy city, and with happy city.
time is overdue for people like me and you who know the way true is love and unity to all of God's children. Should be a great event, and the whole day should be spent.
Helo, sut ydych chi'ch dau? Penblwydd hapus, hwyr i Margaret a penblwydd hapus arbennig iawn i Dafydd am gyrraedd ffasiwn gwth o oedran. Pob lwc i chi'ch dau, gobeithio gweld chi'n iawn. Hwyl!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. We know the key